Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel and welcome to my Tai Chi channel. I'm really excited about this channel as it's going to have all of the content devoted specifically to Tai Chi Chuan. Now, one of the things that you'll see is a series that I brought from my other channel called Taiji Connection. This is a series where we look at the movements between the movements, the transitions between positions, and moving smoothly with some good Tai Chi detail. Another series that we'll be focusing on is training at home, which is exactly like it sounds, where we learn to use implements and things around us at home to help us train our Tai Chi and make us even better at Taiji Chuan. We'll also cover some weapons techniques, so learning weapons like Tai Chi sword, Tai Chi fan, Tai Chi spear, Tai Chi staff, Tai Chi flute, and Tai Chi double cudgels, and more. So look forward to seeing those videos. Check the playlists down below. I already have some videos up for Tai Chi Connection and Tai Chi training, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.